if you like my creation or what you're seeing in this video on my channel, feel free and share. And if you prefer, you can subscribe. So let's create. So what I have here is the ingredient for my vegetable stir fry, Asian inspired. So I have here a bowl of cauliflower, carrots, which are cut very thin in rounds so they can cook quickly. And I have broccoli. See how nice and fresh. I have some bell peppers, red and green, they're sweet. Asparagus, a few. Some green onions. I have some snap peas and green beans. I have some red chili pepper. This is hot, by the way. I have two of them which I cut to add the spice needed. I have about 4 teeth of garlic chopped. I also have some ginger. This is the ginger root, fresh. I cut it and I mince it a little bit. See how thin and nice and squash. I also have some sesame seeds, caraway seed, and fennel seeds. And of course, I'm going to need some oil. I'm going sunflower oil. I'm going to need some soy sauce. And I could have used sugar to add some sweetness, but instead I'm going to use mirin because mirin has some sweetness, but I didn't want to use sugar, so I'm going with the mirin. And make sure you have half an onion, which you're going to chop in vertical lines. So I had this medium high. Make sure it's hot. This is how you know you splash a little bit of water. And I'm going to start with a little bit of the oil. And I like sunflower oil because it doesn't add a taste like the extra virgin olive oil. It's plant-based sunflower. Make sure this baby is hot. And the first thing I'm going to do is add these vegetables because they take a little bit longer to cook. You still frying this baby. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit, 2 drops, like a tablespoon. And you're going to play with this for about 2 minutes. Moving it around. About 2 minutes later, I'm going to add the beans. The sweet peppers. The hot pepper. The asparagus. Cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes. After the 5 minutes, like I told you, I open a little hole here because I'm going to put in the middle the root, the ginger, and I'm going to mix it up, but I wanted to put in the middle for a few seconds, and I'm going to add the garlic. Just to cook for a few seconds in the middle. It smells good, and now I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Now there's been another 5 minutes at the onions. See how I cut them? And the reason I add them now is because I don't want them mushy. This is a white onion. And I also add the green one. And cook this for about 3 minutes. So pinch the carrots, which is the one that's going to tell you is cooked. You went through, this stuff is cooked. So now you go to the last stages. What you're going to do in the last stages is you're going to put a little bit of fennel seeds. Just a little bit, not a lot, you don't go crazy. A little bit of the caraway seeds, just a tiny bit. Give it the aromatics. And a little bit of the sesame seeds. Just a little bit, you don't go crazy. Just a little sprinkle. And that's it, remove it from the heat.